Let me ask you real quick, are you just watching all the days go by, or are you using them to blow your YouTube channel? Because if you've been sleeping on holidays like Eid, Christmas, New Year, Valentine's, Easter, my guy, you dey miss big time. These festive periods, they are not just for rice and chicken. They are for tapping into seasonal traffic and riding the trend waves like Lagos suffers during any rainy season. But here's the trick most people don't know. It's not just about saying Merry Christmas in your video and expecting views to fall from the sky. Nope, you've got to blend the trend with your niche. Make it look smooth, make it make sense, and most importantly, make it valuable and clickable. Let me break it down the way you go feel am. Let's say you are in the finance niche. Don't just post a random video in December and call it Christmas special. Instead, do something like 5 smart ways to save money this Christmas in Nigeria. Now you are giving value, riding the trend, and still staying in your lane. That's the combo. If you are a tech creator, how about you say something like top 10 gadgets to gift this Eid, budget-friendly picks. That's how you enter people's mind during festive period when they plan, they buy, they spend. Even lifestyle or vloggers, Eid or Christmas is your time to shine. Show us how your family celebrate, what you cook, what you wore, the whole vibe. People love relatable festive content. And for the foodies and cooks in the building, omo, this is your season oh. Something like what I cook for Christmas with 10,000 naira, easy Naija recipes. If you add your love rice to the thumbnail, now 5k views minimum. Now let's talk about the titles. Your titles during holiday season need to have that emotional pull plus timely keyword. Think about it like this. Don't just say Christmas recipe, that one dry. You can say something like last minute Christmas food ideas for broke people, or what to do if you are spending Eid alone this year. That's the kind of title that stops someone mid-scroll. Use power words like 2025, on a budget, funny, emotional, family edition, real life. These words increase clicks like adding Maggi to soup. Next, thumbnail. Omo, your thumbnail need to scream holiday. Add Santa art, prayer mat, jollof gift boxes, fireworks, whatever fit the vibe. Wear red and green for Christmas, rock white and gold for Eid. Show your face, add emotion, but keep it clean. One focal point, not crowded like Oshodi Market. And when the person clicks, don't waste the first 15 seconds. Hook them immediately. Start with something that makes them say, ha, this one is for me oh. For example, if you ever felt broke during Christmas, this one is for you. Or you can say something like, you are not a real Naija person if you don't do this during Eid. Just like that, now you've got them, now they are watching, now retention go rise. But let's not stop there, money must enter too. Holiday content usually lead to higher CPM and sponsor love. Start thinking of affiliate marketing, promote gifts, clothes, even Canva templates. Drop your links to Jumia, Konga, Amazon, even 500 naira per click is something. Sponsored content. Reach out to small businesses. Tell them you are doing a holiday themed video. Get that collabo. What about your own stuff? If you sell ebooks, digital products, merch, run a discount promo. People they buy during holidays. And yes, AdSense go rise, but only if you post before the peak. That's the key. Drop your Christmas video at least 2 weeks early. Not December 25th. That one na too late oh. Another gem, you can reuse your holiday content next year. Change the thumbnail, tweak the title a bit, and just like that, new audience, same sweet jollof. You can even repurpose your main content into YouTube shorts like how Naija people cook during Christmas, funny thing that happened during Eid morning prep, or a short vlog of your holiday routine. Short work especially well during holidays when people dey scroll anyhow. And don't forget your community tab. Post a festive meme, say Merry Christmas or Eid Mubarak to your followers. Run a poll. If you no get video to drop, that engagement helps the algorithm remember you still dey alive. And for my creators wey like collabs, this is the perfect time. Feature someone of another religion or background. Show how you celebrate each other. It builds reach and shows that sweet inclusivity wey brands dey love. Let me even give you one complete sample setup. The title can go like this: I cooked a full Christmas meal with 5,000 naira, Nigerian budget challenge. The hook can be like this: this year, I told myself no overspending, so I tried cooking Christmas jollof, chicken, and even salad with just 5,000 naira. Did I succeed? Let's find out. Now tell me if that kind of video no go perform. Tell me if people no go click, laugh, and even share. So my people, as holiday dey approach, this one no be time to chill. This is your moment to create content that's timely, valuable, funny, emotional, and most importantly, clickable. Use the season, blend it with your niche, post on time, and may your channel grow like Christmas rice. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with a fellow creator, and tell me in the comments, which holiday content are you planning next? Let's cook something festive together. So, peace out.